So I had this idea that I wanted to test. So I asked ChatGPT, can you give me 5 different outlines for a video about how to use ChatGPT for teachers? And I was so excited because the very first answer it gave me was 7 simple steps to learn ChatGPT. And I thought, oh my God, am I onto something? Because that's exactly what I'm doing with this video. I'm making a video about 7 simple steps to learn ChatGPT. So I asked the model to expand on that, and it gave me this entire outline which included an introduction, a conclusion, plus these 6 steps in between. But instead of just giving you that outline and let you figure it out, I decided to take it a little bit further. So I said, can you help me write a script for a video based on this outline? And then I pasted the outline in there, and this is what it came up with. Start with knowing what ChatGPT is. Then make sure that you're actually signed in. Step 3 is to learn some basics. Start practicing by asking questions. Use it like a partner, not Google. Practice daily to become better, and use it to earn money online. Those are the exact points that I'm hitting in this video. So I'd like to think that I played a small part in that. But this AI is seriously amazing. If you're here watching this video, I'm going to assume that you're interested in earning money online. Or maybe you just want to learn how to use this tool. Either way, I've got good news for you. Let's start with step number 1. Understand what ChatGPT is. Imagine having a personal tutor, a coach, a creative partner right at your fingertips, always ready to help you teach, learn, or brainstorm. Well, that's ChatGPT. It's like a super smart assistant that understands and responds to your requests in a natural, human-like way. It's built using advanced artificial intelligence, and it's designed to make learning and teaching easier, faster, and more fun. Its power lies in its ability to understand context, generate ideas, and adapt to your needs. Think of it as your own personalized research partner, brainstorming buddy, and writing assistant. Whether you want to explore new teaching methods, craft engaging lessons, or just need a fresh perspective, ChatGPT is there to support you every step of the way. Step 2. Learn how to access it. Getting started with ChatGPT is as easy as opening your web browser. Just go to the official website and sign up using your email or Google account. And the best part? It's completely free. Once you're signed in, you'll see a chat box similar to a messaging app. From there, just start typing your questions, requests, or ideas and hit enter. There's no complicated software to install or download, no special skills or knowledge required. Just a few clicks away from a world of possibilities. Step 3. Get comfortable with the basics. Before we dive into the advanced techniques, let's start with something simple. Try asking questions like, how do I create a lesson plan around fractions? Or, can you help me write a script for a 5-minute YouTube video about persuasive writing? You'll be amazed by how ChatGPT responds almost instantly with helpful suggestions. It's like having a colleague who's always ready to assist. Remember, this AI model is trained on a massive amount of information, so it can provide you with comprehensive explanations, lesson plans, scripts, and much more. And if you're not sure how to phrase your question, just try rewording it, and you'll see how ChatGPT offers different suggestions each time. It's all about finding the right words to unlock the best responses. Step 4. Treat it like a partner, not Google. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, many people use it like a regular search engine. They ask brief questions expecting general answers. But you're not like everyone else. You have a unique perspective and expertise. So instead of relying on general answers, engage ChatGPT in a deeper, more meaningful way. Work together with it to achieve your goals. Imagine having a collaborative partner who helps you refine your ideas and brings fresh perspectives to the table. When you use ChatGPT as a partner, it becomes a catalyst for creativity and innovation. Think of it as your brainstorming buddy, always ready to bounce ideas off and help you explore new possibilities. Together, you can accomplish amazing things. Step 5. Practice daily to become better. The key to mastering anything new is practice. And when it comes to ChatGPT, the more you use it, the better you'll become at utilizing its features. Just like learning a new language, it takes time and repetition to truly harness the power of this AI assistant. Consider dedicating just 15 minutes each day to chatting with ChatGPT. Ask it questions, test its limits, and explore its capabilities. By practicing regularly, you'll build confidence in your abilities and discover new ways to integrate ChatGPT into your workflow. So make it a habit to check in with ChatGPT daily and watch your skills grow. Now, before we move on to the next step, I have something really exciting to share with you. Do you want unlimited access to ChatGPT? Plus additional benefits like priority processing, offline access to the model, and the ability to ask follow-up questions. Of course you do. That's why I've got a special offer for you. Check the description below for details on how to grab this limited time offer. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to supercharge your ChatGPT experience. Step 6. Use it to earn money online. Now let's talk about a topic that many of you may be eager to hear about: making money with ChatGPT. With the rise of online learning and remote work, there's a growing demand for quality educational content and assistance, and you're perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. Imagine creating digital products such as courses or ebooks and reaching a global audience all from the comfort of your home. With ChatGPT, you can bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Use it to develop engaging lesson plans, write scripts for videos, design interactive quizzes, and much more. It's like having a dedicated team of virtual assistants helping you produce top-notch learning materials. Moreover, ChatGPT can assist you in identifying profitable niches, conducting market research, and even generating ideas for new products. So whether you want to start a blog, create an online course, or sell digital products, ChatGPT is your trusted companion on the journey to success. Step 7. Stay curious and embrace the fear. It's normal to feel a sense of unease or uncertainty when faced with something new and unfamiliar. However, the key to overcoming this fear is to approach it with curiosity rather than hesitation. Curiosity has the power to transform our perspective, allowing us to embrace challenges with a positive mindset. When we're curious, we naturally become more open-minded and receptive to new ideas and possibilities. This shift in perspective can help you overcome your fear of AI and fully embrace the potential of ChatGPT. Remember, you don't have to be an expert in AI or programming to utilize ChatGPT effectively. Your existing knowledge and skills are more than enough to get started. So don't let fear hold you back. Stay curious, keep exploring, and unleash the power of ChatGPT in your personal and professional journey. And remember, you don't have to face this journey alone. As you navigate the world of AI and online learning, I encourage you to join a supportive community of educators and lifelong learners. Share your experiences, ask questions, and learn from one another. Embrace the power of human connection as you explore the vast possibilities offered by AI. Finally, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. You can also check out other videos that I've done on this channel that focus specifically on how to use ChatGPT. Thank you for joining me on this exciting exploration of AI and online learning. Keep embracing the power of knowledge and technology to shape a brighter future.